Hi, children. In this lesson, you are going to learn about using punctuation marks at the end of sentences. Let's read a letter that Sarah wrote to Brianna after Sarah's birthday party.
Dear Brianna, thank you for coming to my birthday party and for the gift that you gave me. I love my new coloring books and crayons. My favorite is the book with farm animals. Did you like the chocolate cake that my mom made? I hope you had as much fun as I did at the party. See you soon. Love, Sarah.
It sounds like Brianna and Sarah had a great time at the birthday party. When we read Sarah's thank you letter to Brianna, we saw that she used punctuation at the end of each sentence. All complete sentences end in a punctuation mark. We can use a period, a question mark, or an exclamation point. Most sentences end with a period. The dog is big. I have an apple. Some sentences ask questions. Question sentences end with a question mark. Where is my book? How old are you? An easy way to figure out if a sentence should have a question mark is to look for question words at the beginning of the sentence. Question words are what, who, where, when, why, how. Some sentences say something very exciting. These sentences end with an exclamation point. I am going to a party! That is my favorite color! Can you guess what punctuation mark we should use in this sentence? I love my new coloring books and crayons! Did you guess an exclamation point? Very good! Let's try one more sentence. Did you like the chocolate cake that my mom made? Did you guess a question mark? Well done! Now you know how to use punctuation marks at the end of sentences. Thanks for watching. Goodbye!